Harry L. Parson III is a real estate broker at HP3 Real Estate with Coldwell Banker in Chicago. When it's time to buy or sell a home, you need an experienced and diligent real estate agent who's going to walk you through the entire home buying and selling process. Harry will help you navigate the real estate waters, keeping all the participants on track and assure a smooth transaction. When it comes to real estate, it's all about you. It's all about what you need and what you want. It's about maintaining consistent lines of communications between all parties involved and firm but fair negotiations. Call Harry so you can explore Chicago's finest communities together and find the right home in the right area at the right price for your family. When Harry lists your home for sale, you can expect to get the best marketing and advertising plan available in the industry and receive the best offers for your home from qualified buyers. Harry works by referral, and 97% of his past clients have referred him to their friends and family members that need real estate sales assistance. And by the way, Harry's never too busy for your referrals. Because Harry works by referral, he has time to identify suitable homes for buyers and spends his time marketing the homes he lists for sale. If you or anyone you know needs to buy or sell a home, please reach out to Harry Parson. When you work with Harry, everyone's expectations are satisfied. Harry's enthusiastic about working with you. It's all about you, so call him today.